Tonight, new details on what killed a family of 4 vacationing in Mexico. Investigators identifying a faulty water heater as the source of toxic gas.
They were good people.
Kevin and Amy Sharp, their 12-year-old son Sterling, and 7-year-old daughter Adriana had been visiting from Iowa for spring break.
When they came up missing, we expected the worst.
It's a loss. I never thought I'd be in this situation. They didn't do anything really separately without the kids. Every vacation is about the family.
The condo near Tulum on the Yucatan Peninsula was rented through popular vacation rental website VRBO. The company saying in a statement, "We are monitoring this devastating situation closely and have removed the property from our site for any future bookings while we wait for more details." Adding they do not actively manage properties, instead acting as a middleman between renters and owners.
Essentially, these companies have different kinds of liability depending on the situation. It's a case-by-case basis because this is a brand new sector of travel. If in doubt, of course, always get insurance for yourself.
And VRBO's terms and conditions state they are not responsible for the agreement between renters and owners, including the quality, condition, safety, or legality of the properties. A grim reminder to families tonight with spring break season underway. Blake McCoy, NBC News, Creston, Iowa.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.